I'm pulling up to school in my new car. I got expelled and arrested for indecent exposure. I'm having a medical emergency and I need to get to the hospital. My ass is fucking dead! I'm about to get into a police chase. Life behind bars for the audacity. Running a little bit late to my anniversary dinner with my wife. She was leaving me for my brother. I'm picking up my date from her house. Her dad beat me into oblivion. I went to go eat at a fancy restaurant. Valet refused to park my car. I wanted to get into street racing, so I bought a new car. One of the wheels fell off during one of my races, and I got a traumatic brain injury.